Helpful advice to help you stop snoring. Dealing with snoring nearly every night can be a challenge. From keeping you or your loved ones awake, it can truly mess up everyone's sleeping. Never fear. Snoring can be dealt with so that everyone can get some shut-eye. Read on to find out how to stop the snoring. To help stop snoring problems, try to avoid taking sleeping pills or other types of tranquilizing medication to help you rest. These sleep aids may help you feel more restful, but they also contribute to both snoring and sleep apnea. Some tranquilizers are even addictive and can cause health problems if overused. If your snoring is growing worse, make sure that the pillow you use at night is thick enough to elevate your head. Sleeping on a pillow that does not have adequate girth will not only increase your snoring, but it will also disturb your loved ones who are trying to sleep. If you are a smoker that snores, your cigarette habit may be a large part of the problem. Go ahead and quit. Smoking causes a great deal of damage to the respiratory system and increases the amount of mucus in your airways, which can lead to snoring. Kicking the habit may nip your snoring problems in the bud. If you have tried everything you can to stop snoring and nothing works, your doctor may suggest surgery. With this kind of surgery, the doctor will remove or reduce some throat tissue, which will reduce your snoring. Just be aware that, like most surgeries, there are possible risks and complications. As the video above stated, while snoring is a noisy condition that can affect everyone's sleep schedules, there is hope for quieter sleeping. You don't have to deal with the noise any longer. Try to use these tips to help everyone get some more rest whenever they go to bed. Would you like to learn this easy, throat exercise, that eliminates your snoring tonight? Visit secretsnoringhack.com. Want to stop snoring tonight? This simple, 3-minute exercise permanently eliminates snoring, as soon as tonight. Visit secretsnoringhack.com to learn all of this, and more. Link in the description.